Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions without having to sell your kidney. Today, we've got an epic showdown between two mini 3D printers that promise to bring your wildest creations to life. In the left corner, we have the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS, aka the Resolution King, and in the right corner, the Asani Mini 3D printer, or as we like to call it, the Starter Kit Supreme. So grab your popcorn and let's dive into this 3D printing slugfest. First up, price. The Sonic Mini 8KS comes in at a wallet-friendly $375. Not too shabby for something that sounds like it could double as a spaceship component. Over here on the right, the Asani Mini is flexing a bit harder at $500. That's an extra $125, folks. For that price, it better print me a cup of coffee in the morning. Now, let's talk resolution. The Sonic Mini 8KS boasts the highest resolution on the market at a jaw-dropping 22 micrometers. That means you can print out every single pore on your action figure's face. It's like the HD of 3D printing. And those smooth surfaces, you'll get up to 50% less layer lines. It's like the printer is saying, layer lines? Never heard of them. Meanwhile, the Asani Mini, while not shouting about its resolution from the rooftops, does promise high-precision prints thanks to its dual Z-axis rail and auto-leveling. So it's not exactly a slouch, but it might not win a beauty contest against the Sonic Mini's ultra-smooth models. Ease of use? The Sonic Mini 8KS is like that friendly neighbor who's always willing to lend a hand. It's simple, easy to operate, and perfect for beginners. It's like the Bob Ross of 3D printers. No mistakes, just happy little accidents. But then, the Asani Mini comes in with a fully assembled printer right out of the box. You get everything you need. Just add imagination. It's got one-touch filament loading and a flexible magnetic build plate for easy removal. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers, ready to jump into action at a moment's notice. The Sonic Mini 8KS is an open-source champion. It's compatible with most slicers, including Lychee, Chitubox, and Tango. It's like the universal remote of the 3D printing world, works with everything. Not to be outdone, the Asani Mini is also open-source and Wi-Fi capable, playing nice with WeBuilder, Cura, Simplify 3D, and Slicker 3D. It's like the social butterfly of 3D printers, mingling with all the software at the 3D printing party. Based on Amazon reviews, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is highly praised for its exceptional print quality and affordability, though some users noted issues with customer service and minor setup adjustments. On the other hand, the Asani Mini 3D printer is celebrated for its ease of use, making it a fantastic choice for beginners and young users, though it's slightly more expensive. So which printer should you invite home? If you're looking for the sharpest, most detailed prints and a friendly price, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is your go-to. But if you want an all-in-one starter kit that's ready to roll right out of the box and offers ease of use, the Asani Mini 3D printer is your new best friend. Either way, you're stepping into the future, one layer at a time. Thanks for watching, smart buyers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a showdown. Drop a comment below and let us know which 3D printer you're rooting for. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.